It's the umbrella boot.
Well,
Blam 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 blam.
yeah. Big 1-9, nigga, big umbrella shit, you heard? Well, yeah, look. A smooth groove to die to. Big 1-9, hollow heads to fly through. And you know the whole umbrella is tribal. Dance around the fire, guns fired. Y'all niggas try to. Can it be that it was all so simple? The U crew came and made it pop like a pimple. Old fiend with the gimpy leg, still walking up the block on a mission, get your paper, Lord. Every single day is the same day, same grind all the time. Niggas still slinging the same yay. Big ass flame from out the nozzle when the guards spray. You decay, and I live out the rest of my days. It's like prison knocked the globe off axis. Niggas getting clipped, no matter the practice. APSK, do the shit effortless. Playing Fortnite, writing raps deep as Exodus. Nigga, this the Exodus. Movement of jars, fam. Good smoke in the high rise in the jar, fam. Niggas talk slick, but they all scram. 2 baby 9s in my hand, and both of the shits blam. And P gotta get his game tight. I'm outside doing what it do, Lord, every night. Wow, prison.
It's the umbrella boot.